growing. My name is Jack. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how much money is being taken from you. Have you noticed your grocery cart feels lighter, but costs the same? Your paycheck lands the same, but disappears faster. You are not buying more, not upgrading your life. But at the end of every month, there is just less left over than before. You are not imagining it. You are not bad with money. There is a very specific reason this is happening. It is called a tariff. When American companies import goods, your phone from China, car parts from Mexico, food from around the world, the U.S. government charges them a tax just for bringing those goods into the country. Now, here is the part nobody explains. That company does not pay that tax. They pass it directly to you through higher prices on every single shelf you shop from. A tariff is not a tax on China, not on Mexico, not on foreign companies. A tariff is a tax on every American who buys things, which is every single one of us, every single day. In 2025, America implemented the most sweeping tariffs in nearly a century. Average tariff rate jumped from 2.5% to over 17%, highest since the 1930s, since the Great Depression. Yale Budget Lab says $2,800 to $3,400 extra every single year. That is $280 per month. Gone. Before you make a single financial decision, before you open your wallet, that $280 is your Netflix, Spotify, gym membership, and 3 weeks of coffee combined. Gone. That $280 is one full car payment. Gone. That $280 invested every month for 30 years at 8% becomes $420,000. Gone every single month. You are not just losing $280. You are losing your future $420,000. A household making $400,000 a year, $280 extra barely registers. They absorb it. Move on. A household making $55,000 a year, $280 is 6% of their entire income. Gone. Just like that. That is the difference between building savings and living paycheck to paycheck. The less you make, the harder this hits. Every single time. That is just the math. Groceries first. Tariffs push your bill up 5 to 8%. Same cart, same items. $50 to $70 extra per month. Electronics next. Tariffs add $500 to $1,000 to the cost of a laptop. Every device you buy costs more. Cars. 25% tariffs on imported vehicles and parts. Anderson Economic Group says $2,500 to $15,000 added to a new vehicle. New cars expensive, used cars expensive, repair bills expensive. One tariff rippling through your entire life. So what do you do right now? 3 things, starting today. 1. Switch 30% of your grocery cart to domestic products. Save $40 to $60 per month, starting this week. 2. Do not let this hit your credit card. 21% interest turns your $3,400 tariff cost into $5,000 destroyed. 3. Build your margin now. 3 months expenses in high-yield savings earning 4 to 5%. Your only real defense. You cannot control trade policy, but you can control what you know. Most Americans have no idea $280 per month is draining their account. They feel the pain without understanding the source. They blame themselves. Think they are bad at budgeting. Wonder why the math never adds up no matter how hard they try. The math was never going to add up. Not because of you, because of a tax you never agreed to, never saw on a receipt, and never even knew existed. Now you do. Share this with someone whose money keeps disappearing, because they deserve to know the number too.